What up, YouTube? What's popping, guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is your episode 4 of Trader Talk with me and my favorite trader friends, Mr. Cypriel and Fellow F Forex. In today's video, we are going to discuss something very important, something that is in the minds of most traders right now, and that is, why is the Forex chart misbehaving? Why do most traders hit stop loss back to back this period? We are also traders and we see all of this. Now decided to come out and clear so many doubts. But before we go into that, we will get a little brief introduction from our traders here. So what's popping, guys? What's happening, man?
What's up? I'm Fellow F. Like you all know, thank you very much for hosting me on this episode, Mr. Cyprian. It's a pleasure to be on this same panel with you again.
Thank you so much, Fellow F.
Okay, I don't know. Can we blame Trump? Can we blame ourselves, or should we blame Israel, Iran, or who are we blaming? But the charts have really been messy lately.
Yes.
From my personal experience, I've seen the highest number of stop loss so far in a month. Yes, that's the honest truth. I'll tell you. So like I said, the market is messy, sir.
Yeah, that's good. One thing about trading is you can hide every other thing, but you can't lie to yourself. You know, you can tell lies to social media, post screenshots like most mentors do, post that they are winning, but within themselves, they know that they are on drawdown.
Yeah.
So even if you lie to the whole public, you know within yourself that stop loss choke. You get. So simply, I don't know, are you feeling what we are feeling right now on the chart?
Thank you so much, Fran FX. Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you again once more again.
Yeah.
It's number 10 episode of podcast.
That's number 4.
Number 4 of podcast. And thank you so much, Fellow F, for meeting you once more again. Yeah, me myself, as Fran F was just saying, and I know that we are traders. We are on the market every day. Everything's happening in the market. We are unaware about it. And the market has been really crazy all this while. And it's not really easy because market is just ranging. And when it's ranging, that is very difficult to trade because if you take a trade, the market will give you 1:2, it comes back, hit stop loss. 1:1.5, it comes down, hit stop loss. And you are seeing money. And you cannot collect the money because you cannot be risking 2%. You can't be risking $20 and you're coming out of the market with $20. The market will give you $20, $30 and come and collect. $20, $30 and come and collect. And you find yourself, you are hitting stop loss back to back. That is why me myself have been living all this while since last week. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's quite all right. And it's good that we all feel the same thing. And even on my comment section, some people also confirm that. I saw so many comments saying, the chart is crazy this time. So, and all this is agreed to what we are having now. But funny enough, let me also say this. There are some people that are in profit. Even with all these complaints around, there are some people are making, even somebody watching us now can claim that he's trading like a guru this period. You know what I'm saying? So it's dynamic and people can, of course, have their different approaches. But I think in general term, this war is really affecting the market. And personally, I just took a break. If you notice my Telegram community, I'm not that active trading, dropping signals like before. And that's because I understand that in times like this, limiting the way I open positions helps me a lot. So I study the chart. So I think there are solutions to this kind of situation. Fellow F, what do you think people can do right now? For me personally, I just took a step backwards and observed the chart. So what do you have to say?
Okay. First, that's simply because you understand the market and you've been there for years and you know exactly what it means. Like the Russian war, Russia and Ukraine, started with us in the market. So many people also saw the COVID-19 and they had the experience too. So all those things teach you a whole lot. I think now is the best time for beginner traders to get involved. Yeah, or for those who are just getting involved now, I think now is the best time because when it's more like you going to a school where it's very, very strict, everything there is difficult to understand. Once you understand how to actually navigate the difficult moments, you'll be able to outperform when the market is stable. Personally, I have limited the number of trades I take. More to that, I'm even a swing trader. I am more of a swing trader. So my normal routine is maybe taking 1 or 2 trades a week. So now I've been there are weeks when I take just 1 trade and maybe it will play and end up still hitting me out. So the truth is limiting the number of trades you take will help you a lot to preserve your capital, because at this point it's more of capital preservation. It's more of capital preservation. You might have the skill, you might have everything, but if you mess up and let go of your capital, tomorrow you will not have money to trade and you waste time in front of the market and you won't grow. So I think it's more, I stand on your same point where we say limit the number of trades you take so you can preserve your capital.
Yeah, like I used to tell people, I told some of my guys on the Telegram that your account balance not being touched is a profit on its own. Like your funded balance is there with you. Like you open Meta 5 or your broker and your balance is there with you. Is a profit on its own.
And that's true. I always say not trading is another way of trading.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a profit on its own. So you must not trade at all time. It's not a compulsory fact that you must always be on the chart trading. Because it will be better that you have that account balance there than you blow up the account. Simple. I don't know if I'm saying your mind.
Yeah,
It's better that it's there than you blow up the account.
you are right, Frank.
Yeah.
You are right. It is better than not trading is wise. Is wise.
Yes.
Than to be forcing trade that you know that the market is crazy, because forcing it you have to be loose. You have to lose, guys.
Yes.
But there's something else also that I want to say about it is that you know that each trader has their own approach of the market. Each trader have their own strategy. There are people that they are only just trading supply and demand zone. They like trading the ranging market. When the market is ranging, they are buying on the supply, selling on the resistance, selling on the resistance, before going out on the support. So those are scalpers. And there are some scalpers that during this period like that, they are even feeling more comfortable to trade. But we are trading a training market. You understand? We have problem to trade when the market is just chopping like this.
Yeah, it's not trending.
Yeah, it's not trading. But there are people that they feel comfortable during this period. This is the period that are making crazy money from the financial market. Which means, to me, it depends on your trading approach. If you are trading approach, you are someone that is trading support and resistance. Maybe during this period, when the market comes to your support zone, you buy. When it goes to your resistance zone, you sell. You make money. But we that you are trading a trading market, guys, either you stop trading, or if you are risking maybe 1%, you started risking 0.5% if you want to just stay in the market. Because the most important in this game to survive for long. If you cannot survive for long, if you don't have capital today, tomorrow you cannot trade. You understand? Which means that is the most target from now. And that is what I've been telling my students, that the most important is survive. Proper risk management. If the market is not giving you, stop trading. There will always be a market. We have made it and we will leave it. Thank you so much.
I have something to say about the supply and demand support resistant traders. If you notice lately, even support resistant traders are finding it difficult, because you might actually take a trade from a support zone, hoping that it should move. It will go down, wipe liquidity below that zone, and still continue the range.
Yeah.
Yet it's not like it will wipe the liquidity and now continue going up.
Yeah.
Instead, it will wipe down and go up, wipe up,
Yeah.
and continue ranging around that zone. So even the support resistance, because that's the basic of trading. That's where most of us started, support and resistance. But we have even gone back to the point of support and resistance, and we still find it very difficult. Personally, I still find it very difficult to handle the market, because there are times when it will come down, you think, okay, it's going to stop. You have your confirmation, you enter, it reaches you out and goes in your direction. Most of you who are watching my channel, you see I even dropped a video that was yesterday of my stop loss being hit. Like, price just got exactly to my stop loss and reversed. Okay, which means my stop loss was at the right point, but price started to liquidate the positions and continue going in my direction. So even the support resistance, I think it's still not working for me. I don't know.
Wow. So basically, market is just going gaga. It's going gaga, gaga, gaga. So the thing is what it is. I feel it because some traders are under me and they want to get signals from me. But understand the system because from experience, I've been in the game and I know when to be in the market and when not to be in the market. So no matter the pressure, you be like, mentor, drop signal. Mentor, no, it doesn't move me because at the end of the day, my account is more important. Protection of my account. You see what I'm saying? So if you force it, it will force you out.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you force it, it will force you out.
Yeah.
You don't have the right to challenge market. You're not fighting it.
Yeah.
You are flowing with the trend.
Yeah.
That's my own kind of trading. I've seen a lot of mentors. I don't know if you guys are also noticing that too. Stop loss hits everywhere. Most Telegram channels are from most mentors I know. Any small thing they will say buy GBP USD. Before you know it, stop loss hits.
Even today morning, a very big mentor did that.
I greet you.
We
So,
greet you, mentor. We greet you.
so you see, it just dropped. The next minute, stop loss hit. Allow the chart to rest. Come on, because it is what it is. Nobody owns the chart. In fact, do you know that people are noticing the truth now in the financial market? It's not like before, like take back 2 years ago, where we have a lot of lies. But I thank God for today. People are wising up,
Yeah.
and they're knowing the fact, the
Yeah.
truth about this market.
Yeah.
Even the YouTube community, thank you, YouTube. Shout out to YouTube everywhere. YouTube is already fighting scams already
Yeah.
on their own system.
Yeah.
Anything that talks about quick money,
Yeah.
how I flipped.
Yeah.
I think there's a mentor I agree to my brother.
Very big mentor.
Yes, that just dropped a video that he passed a problem challenge. You think one day
hour.
in
One hour.
in 1 hour. He posted a YouTube video. Let's just be frank with ourselves. The caption of his video is how I passed a problem challenge and got funded probably
Yes.
in 1 hour. You see, now what YouTube did was they removed the video. They removed it because if they did not remove it, most of you will still believe such trash.
Yeah.
They are helping to save you because most people will just open eyes and watch those lies and open teeth and think that it is the fact. You see, so YouTube is also saving lives now. Anything that promise you flipping money, it is easy to make this in Forex. If you like, post on your channel. YouTube can even delete your YouTube channel. Greatest. So let's just round it up now because I know people are learning from us, and it's even my pleasure that I'm impacting in lives. Someone called me recently, said, Frank, this is my content style now. I was like, wow, so people are even enjoying our episode. And trust me, fellow F and Secret, one day if we go off, people will start looking for us.
Yeah.
So consistency will help us maintain our episodes so that our subscribers will also love us.
Yeah.
And your own part is to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, share this video if you are watching it from anywhere. Because it's unfortunate that you see our video, we are seeing 13 views, 50 views. But you can actually help improve that by sharing. Just click the link, share to your platforms, because the algorithm works this way. Once you share our video and people come through, now YouTube will now recommend it to the larger audience. That's the principle. So help us by sharing this video. It doesn't matter the channel you're watching from. If you're watching from Super FF's channel, share this video. From my brother's channel, a fellow F, share the video. So that's all for me. I don't know if you have any conclusive statements so that we could round up.
Okay, thank you guys very much, and thank you guys also for watching, because this means a lot to us. The comments you've been receiving, personally, I've received calls from a couple of guys telling me, no, the contents you guys are dropping is powerful, it's life-changing. So I just hope it's true, because personally, I believe it's life-changing. I wish I had what I'm giving you guys when I started my own journey, because it would have helped me a whole lot to make my journey easy. So guys, the truth is, this journey, it's not as easy as you think. Trading is not as easy as you think, but trading will change your life if you follow the right track. So if you hear from mentors like us telling you, reduce your number of trades, do not think you are smarter than me. You could be. I'm not saying I'm smarter than you. Do not think you are smarter than him. You could be. Yes, it's possible, but he has experience in this field.
Yeah.
That's why he's telling you, limit the number of trades you take.
Yeah.
Limit it. It will help you. It will preserve your capital. And when the market is clean and clear, that's when you make up for all the waiting time. All right. I believe you read your Bible and you know what they say about those who wait, that they will mount up wings like eagles. Right? Let me not preach here. Thank you very much.
You can preach your revelations.
Thank you so much, Fellow F. Thank you for this moment. And I hope many people have also been contacting me. Because I have a francophone community, because I speak more French in my YouTube channel.
Yeah, speak French for the community. Say something.
Beaucoup de personnes m'ont contacté par rapport à cette podcast et ils ont dit des choses merveilleuses. Et vraiment, ça nous a vraiment encouragé parce que nous parlons basé sur l'expérience, les gars. Parce que vous savez que le trading, c'est une très belle opportunité, c'est une très belle profession, mais beaucoup de personnes viennent et pensent que voilà, c'est un jeu, que tous les jours il faut se faire de l'argent. Non, c'est faux, les gars. Oui. Ce n'est pas possible. Parce qu'il y a des jours et il y a des moments, il y a des mois et que peut-être le marché peut être bien, ça peut être mauvais. Mais les gars, il faut tout simplement comprendre donc comment est-ce que le système fonctionne. Quand ça ne va pas, un peu de patience. C'est pour cela que je parle de 3 piliers qui est la psychologie, la patience et une très très bonne gestion des risques là. Si vous appliquez cela, les gars, je pense que voilà, le succès est votre partage. Merci beaucoup, les gars.
Amen.
Merci beaucoup, monsieur.
Merci beaucoup. So I think if you don't hear English, you must hear French. At least the whole thing boils down to one point, right?
Yeah.
Listen to your mentor. Listen to your mentor, guys. I will see you guys next time. Please wait for the next episode, episode 5. I promise you're going to be a blast. If you've never seen anything like that before, subscribe to the channel so that you will come and see us shortly on your screen. Take care of yourself, guys, and bye for now.
Bye, guys.